Good morning, Year 3 and 4, and welcome to a new week of home learning. This week, in our reading, for our first lesson, we're going to do a recap. And our learning objective is, can I recap the book through describing the key events so far? So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to describe the key events that have happened in the book so far. We are going to choose one key event for each chapter. So each chapter will have had one key event in it that we're going to pick. And obviously, because we've read 4 chapters so far, we're going to have 4 key events. As you can see, here I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, for example, for my first chapter, I've said the key event is Oliver returns home with his parents after travelling. His parents went discovering islands and disappeared. That's my key event for chapter 1. They just returned home, and just as they had, his parents were discovering some islands and disappeared. What could the key events be for chapter 2, chapter 3, and chapter 4? Think about what's happened in the book. What happened next in chapter 2? Well, actually, we know that Oliver discovered the moving isles. And can anyone remember who he met? Yes, and he met Mr. Culpeper. Think about chapters 3 and 4, which we have read, and try and write down a key event for both chapters. For chapters 1 and 2, if you're really struggling, you can use mine to help you, or you could write down your own key events. Remember, we are writing just one event for each chapter. You must have 4, as we have read 4 chapters so far in our reading, and this is a recap so that we can remember what's happened in the book so far, and then we'll be ready to read the book when we start reading it again tomorrow. Good luck, and I can't wait to see which key events you come up with.